Quick review right now while my son is away at preschool on my second favorite Ninja Turtle, Raphael here. This is a sweet action figure. It's pretty big. It's about 1.5 feet long. One of my favorite episodes of Seinfeld was the episode where Jerry and George fed a bunch of turkey and wine to Jerry's girlfriend so they can play with their toys when she fell asleep. And so I kind of feel like that. I'm going to do a bunch of reviews of my son's toys. This thing is pretty robust action figure. All of its extremities move. His feet moves, his knees move, his hands move, his head swivel around. This thing is taking a beating. It goes to the park with us almost every day. And it's a great toy. We're very well built. I think we have 2 of them, so I'm going to try to track down the other one. But overall, this guy is going to get some play with here. I would recommend getting him for your next adventure. Cowabunga, dude.